Hello, and welcome to this CA Ops MVS training video for the new ADDRESS USS SMREQ command. This new command was introduced in Release 13.5 of CA Ops MVS Event Management and Operations. The agenda for this video will be an overview of the new command, the prerequisites for using the new command, the OPSplex environment assumed in this video, how to activate the new command, and operation of the new command. This section gives an overview of the new command. This new command gives users a way to programmatically open a new ticket in their service management or help desk product from Ops MVS automation running on their ZOS system. The new command SMREQ stands for Service Management Request. In this video, I will refer to the command as SMREQ. The new SMREQ command was added to the existing OPSREX ADDRESS USS host environment. ADDRESS USS SMREQ is available from any AOF rule or any OPSREX program. The new SMREQ command was added as a new Agile feature PTF to Release 13.5 of Ops MVS. This new feature implements a client REST API to interface with CA Normalized Integration Management for Service Management, or CA NIM-SM. CA NIM-SM is a common CA web application used by various CA products to consolidate and standardize their integration with the various service management products available on the market today. The service management products supported by ADDRESS USS SMREQ are those supported by CA NIM-SM. Currently, those products are CA Service Desk Manager, ServiceNow, Service Aid, BMC Remedy ITSM, HP Service Manager, SAP Solution Manager, and Salesforce Service Cloud. This section lists the prerequisites for using the new command. You must be running CA Ops MVS Release 13.5. You must be running an Ops MVS USS server, which is an existing feature of the base Ops MVS product. PTF SO06166 to the Ops MVS base FMID installs the new SMREQ command. You must have an instance of the CA NIM-SM web application running under a web server somewhere in your enterprise. You may use an existing instance running on a distributed platform or on a ZOS system. You may install a new instance on a distributed platform or on a ZOS system. If you need to install a new instance of NIM-SM, PTF SO06167 delivers a copy of the NIM-SM web application as file ca-nim-sm.war. This PTF is applied to the optional Web Features FMID of Ops MVS. Note that if you already have the Web Features FMID installed, you will be required to install this PTF, even if you do not need the WAR file. If you are not familiar with the Web Features FMID, it installs a USS file system delivered as a ZFS. SMPE Target Zone DDDEF CCLX HFSM defines the USS mount point of the ZFS. When the ZFS is mounted, this mount point is also the USS path name of the installed directory that contains the delivered WAR file, as shown in this example. If you need to install a new web server, one option is to install the CA Common Services redistributed Apache Tomcat on ZOS. If you choose this route, it is important that you see CA support document RI59832. This section describes the OPSplex environment used in this video. In this video, we will assume that an instance of CA NIM-SM is installed and running on a web server somewhere in your enterprise. We will also assume that you are running an Ops MVS USS server. we will not discuss details of the installation, deployment, and configuration of a web server, the NIM-SM web application, or an OPS-MVS USS server. This section discusses how to activate the new command ADDRESS USS SMREQ. First, install CA OPS-MVS Release 13.5. If you need the redistributed CA NIM-SM WAR file, you will need to install the optional Web Features FMID. Next, configure an OPS-MVS USS server. A sample started task JCL proc is provided in member OPS USS of the SMPE target library with the low-level qualifier CCLX SAMP. Apply PTF SO06166 to the base FMID. If the Web Features FMID is installed, apply PTF SO06167 at the same time. Note that PTF SO06166 updates load module OPS AEX, as well as other load modules. See the Reason Dynact hold data on the PTF for instructions on how to refresh any copies of these load modules that you may have on your system and how to restart OPS-MVS. This section discusses the operation of the new command ADDRESS USS SMREQ. Many of the keywords available on the SMREQ command map to the NIM-SM incident schema. Most are optional and supply information for the new incident created in the service management product. Several SMREQ command keywords provide information required to establish a connection with NIM-SM. Default values for these keywords may be specified as USS environmental variables, coded in the env file of the OPS-MVS USS server. In this table, the command keywords are listed in the left-hand column, with their associated USS environmental variable names in the right-hand column. A sample env file can be found in member USS env00 of the SMPE target library with the low-level qualifier CCLX CNTL. This sample contains the variable settings shown in this slide. Note that the settings are commented out by the # in column 1. The sample illustrates the use of a list of host names, which is supported in the env file only. The SMREQ command will try each host name listed until a successful call is made. Note that a list of host names is not supported on the hostname command keyword. The keyword service name on the SMREQ command may be used to specify the target service management product. Note that keyword values are coded in mixed case. NIM-SM can be configured to use a specific service management product by default. Commands issued to this default product do not need to specify the service name keyword. Required schema keywords depend on the service management product being called. The left-hand column of this table lists the mixed case values used on the service name keyword for each service management product listed in the middle column. The right column lists the schema keywords that are required by each product. Keywords common to the ADDRESS USS host environment are also supported, including the stem keyword to return command output in rec stem variables. A sample OPSREX program that uses the SMREQ command is provided in member OPSMREQ of the SMPE target library with the low-level qualifier CCLX SAMP. This sample program assumes that SMREQ connection values are coded in the env file of the OPS-MVS USS server. The program issues an SMREQ command to each supported service management product, specifying only the keywords required by that product. The sample displays details of the new incident created in each service management product and displays failure messages for those service management products that are not installed. This concludes our training video. For more detailed information about CA OPS-MVS, click the information bubble in the top right corner to load the product page. From there, you can visit product documentation, support, communities, or see the learning paths.